What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Richie Mo back at it again with another video. I want to thank every one of you guys right now for watching this video. We are growing every day, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe to the channel. We are growing, and my name goes by Richie Mo, and I am one of the greatest hatchback owners in the world. I mean, I'm just saying, you know what I'm saying? I'm just saying. Well, anyways, I want to show you guys this quick little thing I did before I went to work. I did some wrapping inside my car, and if you don't follow my Instagram or Snapchat, then you wouldn't understand what I did, but I'm gonna just show you guys. And time I get to work, I'm running late, but if I can make there a certain time, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I do wrapping, and you guys can learn, and you guys can, you know, do it yourself. So let me show you what. As you can see, it's silver, like basic silver crap that they come with. I don't understand why Honda likes to put silver on there. I feel like the color should match the outside of your car. That'd be dope. So on this side I got silver, and if you look over here, as you guys remember a couple videos ago, I showed you guys how to do this. For only $3, you can get a whole inside of any color, a pinstripe, and make it nice. So if you look over here, I made it yellow. So if at the end of the day, I gotta just finish that little edge, fix that up, and then over there, so on the corner, you can see like a little piece up. But other than that, I'm gonna clean it up once I get to my job and park. And I made it yellow because, you know, the outside of my flash, he's yellow and red and black, so the inside gotta match. So I got red over here. You know, I got red vinyl wrapping in the back of my car anyways, but I was like, you know what, I want to do yellow to give it more of a standout pop look, and it looks amazing with the red and the yellow. So, and then the car is naturally black inside, so it's all coming together. So I'm gonna show you guys how I wrap this and do it on that side. As I'm doing it, it's gonna be kind of difficult, but I'm gonna try my hardest. If I can't get it, then you're just gonna have to see the aftermath. But yeah, stay tuned. As I'm driving, the lady right here is recording my car. But we're just gonna chill. I think that maybe let's see, this is the lady right there next to us is recording my car with her cell phone. All right, so right now I have my red and yellow extra vinyl wrap. So as you see on that side, I did yellow. I even cleaned the edges because it was not looking right. That part above my finger needs to be a little fixed, but as you can see right now, it's just yellow. I like that, just to give it that mixture of the flash, because it's like yellow on my car. So right now I'm gonna wrap this part right here, and I got a few minutes before I go into work, so I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. It's kind of hard with one hand, so basically what I'm gonna do is, let me put the camera down. All right, so change of plans. The yellow I have extra is not enough, but I have a lot of red. So what I might do is I might take the yellow off that one and just make this red and make that red. So I might just do that right now real quick. So what I do is, and I'm gonna show you guys what I do. So basically, it's hard with one hand. So basically, let me put it down. So basically, I put it like this so I can figure out exactly how long I want to cut the piece off, and then I cut the piece off. I'm gonna cut in like 2 layers, so I can two cuts, so that way I can have one for this door and one for the other door. I'm gonna take the yellow off since I ran out of yellow space, and yellow vinyl, and I'm gonna just wrap the doors red. And yeah, let's see how. All right, so I gotta hurry up. So finally, what I did was I cut 2 pieces. I'm gonna have one for that door and one for this door. So I'm gonna apply it on here and show you how it looks when I apply it. Once I apply it, it sticks, right? So what I do is I use this. Oops, let me see. Hold on 1 second. I use this. I just do this. I basically get the bubbles out. Bubbles are the nightmares. And with this particular vinyl I got, it's not the greatest, but it gets the job done. So it's kind of difficult for me to record, but so basically I'm gonna just make it smoother because you can see bubbles coming in. So I'm gonna put this camera down and show you how it looks after I'm done. All right, so as you can see, I got the red vinyl on. So what I use is, where the fuck did I just put it? Excuse my language. Oh boy. Where did I just put the blade? Uh-oh. Can't find it. Now what I do is I get the blade, and you see right here, sometimes you're gonna get like little, and see this is not an expensive wrap, but what I do is I poke little tiny holes and I can get those bubbles out. But right now I'm just showing you how I do it, and basically I'm gonna go in here and curve all around the edges and see how it looks. So let's see. So as you can see, I'm going all in here. It's kind of hard doing it with one hand, but I just use a blade and I cut, start right here to the edge and just get right in there, and then I curve there. So I'm just following the line. I don't go too hard because I don't want to scratch nothing under, and I just go all the way, and then I cut this side. I'm gonna have to make this side look cleaner, which I'm gonna do. And then what I do is I just pull it. You can see, just like that. And then take that part, and I just do that. I go upwards and bam. Then what I do is, like, I got a little piece like that. I just, like, you know, just play around with it, and I'm gonna get the little, I got little tiny bubbles right there popping up, but nothing major. I can knock those out, poke little holes in it, and yeah, but that's how you do it, man. So I got red right there, I got yellow right there. Let me know if I should keep red on one door and yellow on door. If you don't like that, let me know down below. But I think I might keep it like that, just to have a different in here. But let me know if I should keep yellow and red. But I'm loving how it looks. All right, so signing out. Leave a comment down below. The more people tell me yes or no, I will just make that yellow to red, because I think I honestly do like the red better. But yeah, I like both. Honestly, I like both. I like both. I can't make my mind up. So let me know if I should keep both red, or should I just keep the yellow and red? I don't know. Let me know, you guys. All right. So this was just a quick video showing you how I do vinyl wrapping, but these are definitely not the top of line 3M and 4M vinyl wrapping, but it's just a little wrap I got just to play around with, but it actually came out nice and I'm digging it. You can see the yellow over there and you can see the red right here. So let me know if I should keep the color like that. I think it's kind of dope because it just, the yellow just gives it a little twist inside the car, just driving inside the car. I think I might keep it like this. But let me know how you guys feel about it. But honestly, I think I might keep it like this. And the more I keep looking at it, in the red, I like it. I kind of like it. The driver's side got the yellow, this side got the red. But I don't know. Let me know if you guys like it. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. This is just a video showing you guys what you can do with your car. There's not videos like this that tells you ways of making a Civic fucking awesome. And this is fucking awesome, man. Yeah, it's not the greatest video, but it was like last minute. I'm in a time rush. I had to go to work now. I got to walk hella far just to clock in. But yeah, I just want to show you guys that you guys can actually do things to your Civic and make it sporty and make it fucking nice. It's not, I'm telling you, a lot of people sleeping on the Honda Civics, and especially if you got the hatchbacks, you can really make these cars fucking beautiful. Let me go outside the car. So yeah, the flash is looking great. Outside, and then if you guys come to the door, see the red already, and then the red goes in there. It's kind of dirty in here because I got vinyl wrapping and stuff, but I think I like the yellow. I like the yellow and red. You know what? Fuck it, I'm gonna keep yellow and red. But yeah, I'm just showing you guys techniques and ways of being creative and making your car fucking epic. So let me know if you guys like this video. You guys have a blessed day and stay focused. More mods are coming.